Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome to my Pilates studio here in Los Angeles. Today we have rowing 3 and 4, also known as rowing from the chest and from the hips. So we're on one spring, and you take your thumb and you'll hook it to the top. Then you want to have your legs straight out. If you're new to this, put your hips up against the shoulder blocks. If you're not new, come an inch away. I promise it'll be worth it. So you're going to start from the chest with your toes long, hugging your outer hips together. So you don't want to be loose here because you'll just sink into your lower back. You really want to make this a leg exercise actually. Then with your palms facing flat, you'll press out. You'll lower the arms. When you lift the arms, feel like you're lifting your low belly all the way up. Then as you open your arms, you try not to move the carriage until you get to about there, and then it can move harder than you ever think, and I've only seen it done a couple times. But you should still try to do it. You reach forward and lower because it means that you're really reaching your arms from your back and pressing out into the springs and controlling the springs home, okay? Then you flex your feet from the hips. A lot of people like to cheat and they take their hands off of the spring, off of the carriage. What you want to do is lift up and over yourself, reach your heels forward, but press your hands all the way to the gear bar. Lift your stomach up. The carriage shouldn't move. And then open the arms out to the side. And again, you hug your legs together, press your arms forward, lift your center up, and then open your arms out to the side. Now I'll do both of these. You can just watch and see all the little tips happening. And then after 3 of each of those, you can flip your hands and sit cross-legged for a shave and hug. A couple things you want to keep in mind is that you really don't want to feel like this is happening in your hip flexors. If it is, you probably need a little bit more seat. So remember to hug your outer thighs in, just like you did when you did your tendon stretch on your footwork, right? And then the more you can lift your stomach up away from your legs, the taller your back will be. So you can always use stomach massage as a great place to study this exercise and work on pressing out into something to get your center to turn on while you're working your seat. And then you can come back to this exercise and try it without that foot bar so you can still make all those muscles happen. But I highly recommend doing rowing 3 and 4 to wake up your back and get you ready for the rest of your reformer workout. Now you can also see reformer workouts on onlinepilatesclasses.com. I hope you check them out and see our 30-minute plus classes, and let us know if you have any questions or requests in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.